Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on rare coin discoveries like the ones we're about to explore today. If you love history, the thrill of real money, and the long-term art of coin collecting, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering two Canadian coins that might look ordinary at first glance, but their stories, history, and potential value are anything but ordinary. We'll explore a coin from 2012 valued at just a few dollars, and another from 2016 that has shocked collectors worldwide with its incredible price tag. Let's start our journey with the 2012 Canadian coin. At first glance, this coin may seem like one of the countless coins you've seen in circulation, but don't be fooled. The 2012 Canadian coin has a fascinating story. Its design, its minting process, and even the year it was released connected deeply to Canada's modern history. While its current market value sits at around $2 to $3, the importance of this coin is not just in its monetary worth. It's a piece of Canadian heritage minted in an era of changing designs, modernized techniques, and a growing collector community. For those of us who have been collecting for decades, coins like this are reminders of the steady evolution of our currency and the subtle details that make each one unique. Notice the fine details on the coin, the way the maple leaf is etched, the subtle variations that could distinguish one coin from another. In coin collecting, these small details are everything. Even a coin worth just a few dollars can become the centerpiece of a serious collector's cabinet because of its condition, rarity, and story. Now, imagine a coin released just 4 years later in 2016 that looks familiar at first, but hides a completely different story. While the 2012 coin connects us to a moment in Canadian history with modest value, the 2016 Canadian coin has become a collector sensation, and for a reason that might surprise you. Unlike the 2012 coin, the 2016 edition is not just a piece of currency. It's a collector's treasure with unique minting quirks, limited production numbers, and even rare errors that can make a coin extremely valuable. In fact, experts have valued this coin at $1,205, a huge leap compared to its older cousin from 2012. But why does a coin from 2016 hold such incredible value, while one from 2012 does not? Collectors know that a coin's value is rarely just about the metal it's made from. It's about rarity, demand, and history. The 2016 Canadian coin was minted in limited quantities, and even more importantly, certain minting errors and variations make specific pieces extraordinarily valuable. For serious collectors, especially those who have been following coins for decades, finding a 2016 coin in pristine condition is like striking gold. Every detail matters. The way the maple leaf is aligned, the subtle sheen on the metal, and the absolute perfection of the strike. These small, almost invisible differences are what turn a coin from a common collector's item into a $1,205 treasure. It's proof that in the world of coin collecting, patience, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of history are rewarded, not just with pride, but with real monetary value. What's fascinating is how these two coins, released only 4 years apart, tell completely different stories. The 2012 coin, valued at $2.3, represents accessibility, history, and the joy of collecting. The 2016 coin, valued at over $1,000, represents scarcity, investment potential, and the thrill of the hunt. For collectors aged 55 to 65 and beyond, these coins are more than currency. They are time capsules. They capture moments in history, technological progress in minting, and the ebb and flow of a collector's market. One coin teaches patience and appreciation for everyday currency, while the other rewards vigilance, knowledge, and an eye for rarity. You might be asking, why should a seasoned collector pay attention to these coins? The answer is simple: the story, rarity, and potential for future value. Even a modest coin like the 2012 edition may one day see appreciation if preserved properly. And coins like the 2016 edition are living proof that a well-timed, well-kept coin can bring real financial rewards. Coin collecting is not just a hobby, it's history in your hands. Each coin has a journey, from the mint to circulation, to your collection. Understanding the nuances between years, minting techniques, and production numbers is what separates casual collectors from those who truly excel in the hobby. For viewers who've been collecting coins for decades, the beauty lies in both the personal legacy and the potential financial reward. A coin from 2012 may someday be worth far more than its original price. And a 2016 coin? Well, its $1,205 value today could very well continue to climb as collectors, investors, and history enthusiasts compete for the rarest pieces. Investing in coins isn't just about money. It's about preserving history, appreciating craftsmanship, and passing a tangible legacy to future generations. So, to recap, the 2012 Canadian coin sits at a humble $2. 3. A reminder of history and accessibility for collectors. But the 2016 Canadian coin, with its rarity, limited mintage, and collector demand, stands at an astounding $1,205. Two coins separated by just 4 years, yet worlds apart in value, story, and collector significance. That if you've enjoyed this journey through Canadian coin history, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned. We have more rare coins, hidden treasures, and incredible stories waiting for you. Remember, every coin tells a story, and some stories are worth millions in knowledge, history, and yes, even dollars.